Whirlpool IntelliFresh Pro range is the best in class in convertible refrigerator. It comes equipped with 10-in-1 convertible modes that give you the flexibility to convert your freezer to fridge for extra storage. Its other smart modes help you deliver fast ice, fast cooling for beverages, energy saving, and whole lot more. It is powered by an advanced microprocessor that sense, adapt, and control and power the advanced software, empowering you to convert your freezer to fridge in just 22 minutes. It keeps your fruit and vegetables fresh for up to 15 days, not just in your fridge, but also in your converted freezer. It also comes with the advanced 6 Sense Nutri-Lock technology that lock in the nutritional value of your fruit and vegetables and give you up to 2x longer vitamin preservation for your fruit and vegetables. And after power cut, we are providing 12-hour cooling retention in whole refrigerator and 25-year reliability tested by VDE because we have been used IntelliSense inverter technology. Thank you.